everybody, this is the mom from Crazy Dave's Crew. The last time we talked about half square triangles, and today I wanted to show you what I decided to do with my little batch of them, and I also wanted to get your opinion. So be ready for a poll at the end of this video. At the end of the video you'll see a little letter I up here in the corner. All you have to do is press on that and it'll give you the options for you to let you choose the one that you like the best. Because I can't decide on my colors. So here's the first layout. And another option. And then here is layout B. And another option. And an option. And another option. And then there's this one. Okay, so there's our 6 options for the layout for my half square triangles. I would like for y'all to answer the poll. We have figured out how to have the poll do 5 options, but not 6. So we have poll 1, poll option 2, poll option 3, poll option 4, poll option 5. And if you liked the 6th option, please indicate that in the comments below. Don't forget to change that red button to gray. And be sure to come back because you never know what crazy stuff this crew is going to get into. Hope you've had a great day, and I'll see you next time on Thursday Threads.